Another shout out. How about MediaTek? Named the biggest smartphone chipset supplier for the first time ever, surpassing the likes of Qualcomm. You didn't know this, Will?
No.
You never even used a MediaTek before.
I don't think I have.
Yeah, well, they've been moving units.
Mm.
And let me tell you how much they grew. 351.8 million units compared to 238 million units in 2019.
Mm.
Imagine that type of growth. You're selling chips. I just add another 110 milli,
Yeah.
112 milli, 113 milli.
They're going to the moon, if not already there yet.
Sheesh. Volume increased by 113.8 million units, or 47.8% on the year. Imagine if we could just have this show performance improve just 47.8% on the year.
Mm.
Imagine that. Well, we just need more wildcard segments. We go straight there.
Sure.
Did you disagree to it?
No.
I feel like you sort of halfway did.
Yeah. We'll see.
This is the first time that MediaTek has become the biggest smartphone chipset supplier, beating Qualcomm for the top spot. The biggest customer, actually, Xiaomi. They purchased 63.7 million MediaTek chips. It's a big increase for them. Previously, they were only at 19. But you got other customers in there, including Samsung themselves. They purchased a lot. Oppo's in there too. Second biggest customer. Actually, let me just be clear. Xiaomi isn't their biggest customer. They just had the highest growth rate. They became the biggest customer. Interesting. Samsung has the highest growth rate. They increased MediaTek chipset purchasing 254%. Xiaomi's the biggest. Samsung increased their relationship the most. So obviously, there's been the sanctions and stuff with Huawei, and then they had to buy MediaTek stuff because of the Qualcomm problems. So tons of opportunity for MediaTek. We're of course not seeing it in the flagship devices as much, which is why you and I have more limited exposure. But that's a couple units.
Oh, yeah.
I'm curious for MediaTek users who are watching this show. You let me know in the comments if you feel satisfied with your MediaTek brain inside your smartphone, or if you sit there wishing you had some Snapdragon product. Let me know.